Well, hey there, guys. We have made our way to the West Coast where we have stopped at Yosemite National Park. Now, unfortunately for us, much of the park is still closed due to the massive amount of snowfall they had this past winter, along with subsequent flooding this spring and lots of road damage. So we're kind of isolated to the Yosemite Valley area, but that's okay.
Yeah, on top of that, though, they're expecting thunderstorms for the 3 days that we're here.
Yeah, we're going to be dodging rain and floodwaters and who knows what else out there, but we're going to make the most of it.
We will.
Let's go see what we can do.
Let's go.
Well, the first thing we're going to do is hike the Lower Yosemite Falls Trail.
Yeah, it's a 1.2-mile loop with about 50 feet of gain, so it should be pretty easy, and we're hoping to get it done before it rains.
Again. That is some serious force to that spray.
I'm getting so wet.
Oh my gosh. What do you think?
It's beautiful.
Stunning.
It's cold, too. Oh, that is stunning. And I like the view from back here because I'm not getting wet.
Right. So we just finished up the Lower Falls Loop and it was amazing.
Oh, it was stunning. Just so beautiful.
We got soaked.
We did. Jimmy really got soaked getting all the videos.
It was amazing. The spray was just so powerful.
It was.
You could feel just the wind coming off of it.
Yes.
It was pretty amazing.
And we witnessed a wedding.
Hey, Mission America.
Mission America. We just got married in Yosemite Falls.
Yeah, that was pretty cool as well. We got to see a young couple get married right in front of the falls, and that was a super treat for us to get to witness that, especially just three days ago we celebrated our 29th anniversary, so it's kind of cool to see somebody else just starting out on their journey.
Right.
Up next for us is a hike out to Mirror Lake.
Yeah, it's a 2-mile out and back.
Yeah, what's interesting about Mirror Lake is much of the year it's actually a dry meadow.
I know.
But this time of year there's plenty of water, and so we should see a nice lake out there. Well, what do you think about that?
Just look at those reflections. Beautiful.
So we made it to Mirror Lake, and even though it's kind of a gray out today with not much sunshine at this point, there were quite a bit of nice reflections out there.
It was pretty stunning.
It was really, really cool. We were originally going to turn around there, but someone told us that if we went a little bit further, maybe about a mile, we'd see some additional great views, and so far we haven't been disappointed.
Right, we've seen some great views and we're hoping for more. We don't want to miss out on anything, so we got to keep going.
Yeah, we have a serious fear of missing out if someone says there's something nice up ahead.
I also have a serious fear of these mosquitoes. They're everywhere.
They are everywhere. They're about to carry us away, so we better get moving.
Well, I really enjoyed that hike to Mirror Lake. Although it's a little gray today, it was still a beautiful hike and we got some really good reflections on the lake.
Yeah, it was really, really pretty. And I'm glad we went ahead and did that extra about 2 miles, I guess, by the time we did the turnaround, because we did get some additional mountain views and we got lots of great views of that raging river.
Yeah, it was definitely a good call to do that.
Yeah, just stunning, a little terrifying.
Yeah.
And it was also good to be out there on that hike to dry out a little bit from
true.
our lower Yosemite Falls hike earlier. We were absolutely drenched.
Oh my God, I was freezing. It was so cold and wet.
It was so cold, yes.
Beautiful though.
It was amazing. Not sure what else we're going to be able to get in today. Looks like storms are about to hit, but we'll see and we'll let you guys know when we figure it out for ourselves. We've got a little bit of a break in the weather, so we thought we'd take a look around Yosemite Valley.
Yeah, we're excited to see the sights. I'm really enjoying seeing El Capitan, Half Dome, Bridalveil Falls, and the other valley formations again.
Yeah, Bridalveil Falls is gushing like it's her wedding day, isn't she? Well, this is amazing. I mean, I'm gonna have to bring out my thesaurus to come up with some different words to describe what we're seeing here. Sensational, breathtaking, mesmerizing, eye-popping, majestic. I mean, it is a beauty, whatever word you choose.
loved seeing all those sights. It was beautiful.
It was just stunning, wasn't it?
It was. Tunnel view and those sights down at the bottom in the valley. Oh, gorgeous.
We got just enough of a break from the rain that we got a little bit of sunshine,
Right.
a little bit of blue skies, some dramatic clouds. I mean, it really put on a show for us there for a little bit.
It was almost perfect, wasn't it?
It really was. We've got one more thing I think we're going to try to squeeze in for this episode, but we're going to have to wait until tomorrow morning for that. So we'll check in with you guys then. Well, today the one thing that we wanted to do was take a look at the giant sequoias.
Yeah, we're on the Mariposa Grove of Giant Sequoias Trail.
That's a mouthful, isn't it?
It is.
It's appropriate that it would be a mouthful considering the gigantic trees that we're seeing here.
Oh my goodness, they're so huge.
It is cold and rainy today, but the mist is kind of cool inside this area. It's really making for a dramatic view.
It is. Starting to rain again, but it actually kind of feels refreshing.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't start crashing down like those waterfalls in the park, right?
Right. This is Grizzly Giant. It's the largest sequoia in the park. Walking that trail through the giant sequoias.
It was pretty spectacular.
It was. That grizzly giant tree is huge.
And then the California tunnel tree was a lot of fun to walk through it as well.
It was. Now, it was a good 6-mile hike. You had to hike up the road. We hiked up the road 2 miles, and then we came back on the trail.
Yeah. So round trip, it was about 6 miles to get all of that in. The shuttle system that will take you up to the trailhead is closed currently, and so you have to do a little extra hiking, but I think it was well worth it, don't you?
I think so too.
The one thing that was a little disappointing is Grizzly Giant. In the past, you could actually walk right up to it, and we have a fun picture from years ago with Paula, me, and Jacob, where we were kind of holding hands, stretching out as far as we could around it, and still, of course, was nowhere near even one side of it.
But it was still neat to see it, even if you couldn't get up close.
It really was. We had a whole lot of fun.
We did.
One of the things that you will see on the map, if you've been following along our journey, are some dots of locations that we have not released videos for yet. And that's because we have got such a packed summer schedule that there's no way we're going to be able to release every episode that we record. So we'll have plenty of extra episodes to share with you guys after our trip has concluded.
Right.
This will be especially true like if we're in Yosemite. We will be filming multiple episodes here, but you're only going to see one in real time. Otherwise, we would be showing our Christmas episodes sometime next July or August.
Right.
So stay tuned for more episodes. We've got some exciting things ahead, but that's going to wrap it up for Yosemite. It was a whole lot of fun, despite the fact that a lot of it was closed and the weather did not completely cooperate. We did have a few breaks to get some good stuff in.
We did. We still had a great time. But for now, that's it for our mission. What's your mission?
So we made it to Mirror Lake. There's a stupid mosquito again. Mosquitoes are pretty bad out here right now. They're very bad. They're biters.
They are.
Hello there. And they're now at Yosemite National Park.
What you going on to say about how much of the park is closed?
So you want me to say all that?
You're good.
But we're going to make the most of our time here in the Yosemite Valley area.
Yeah, and on top of that, thunderstorms are predicted. Oh, it's a predicted forecast.
Well, we are visiting Yosemite National Park. Now, unfortunately, nailed it. Put your sunglasses on.
Nope.
Do I? Well, hey guys, it's Jimmy here. Our mission in every episode of this vlog is to share one of our fun-filled adventures with you guys. But our greater mission in life is to share our hope and happiness with you. One of the ways we do this is by giving away free resources at my website, jimmybrown.com. You'll find a number of books you can download, daily inspirational messages to read, and training materials to help you enjoy life with passion and purpose. You can even reach out to me personally through the contact button at the site and subscribe if you want to be notified when new resources, which are always free, are added to the site. If you're interested in some positive messages to encourage you in your faith, I hope you'll check it out. And stay tuned for more exciting adventures coming your way soon.